Hi guys, welcome back to recipe day 3. So today we're having the Bulgogi sauce with rice. This is apparently a Korean dish and this is the first time that I'm trying out this dish. The recipe was super easy, anybody can make it, even a novice, and it took me just 20 minutes to make. So I'll just have a quick taste and I'll tell you what I think. By the way, let me point the camera downwards so you can see what the meal looks like. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so let's have a quick taste. Not bad, but not bad. It's okay. I'll just give it a 7. It's not my favorite kind of sauce, but it's okay. So I'm just going to quickly run through the ingredients needed for this recipe. If you've been following the past two recipes I shared, I told you that the portion sizes were a bit low, so I had to rush up to the store today and got more ingredients. I got more tender stem broccoli. We have our lime from the pack. The jasmine rice was very little, so I had to buy another pack of jasmine rice. We have our sauces, the bulgogi sauce, the soy sauce, and of course I have some soy sauce at home. And then we also have some peanuts for garnish. This is the rice I bought from the store. So this is all the ingredients you'll be needing except for the minced meat. I bought additional minced meat together with the one that was sent in from HelloFresh. So I've put them on the tabletop and then we're just going to go ahead and put our rice on fire. So today I decided to cook 350 grams of rice instead of the 150 grams that HelloFresh sent to me. So in my pot I went ahead, put some water to boil, lightly salted, and then I went in with my rice, stirred and closed the pot, allowing it to cook. Now while the rice was cooking, I went ahead to chop my tender stem broccoli. So what I did was cut off the head, you know, the stem, that head where is the top. Anyway, I just chopped it up and then I cut my broccoli stems into 3 parts depending on the size of the stem. I also went ahead and minced some garlic. Now I put my pot on the stove and then I went in with my minced meat. While the minced meat was in the pot, I also went in with my broccoli stem because they are quite hard and you want them to soften up while the meat is cooking. I did not put any oil in the pan. I went ahead and cooked the mince with the broccoli stem, and then I also went in with my minced garlic. So at this point you want to keep stirring, you want to break up the meat, ensure that no lumps is formed, ensure that your meat is properly cooked, that is, there's no pink part in the meat. And then at this point you also go in with your garlic. This entire process takes only about 6 minutes. It's really fast, so you have to ensure you have your other ingredients, that is your sauces, beside you. Once your meat is properly cooked, you want to go in with your sauces. So you go in with the bulgogi sauce. I went in with the bulgogi sauce that was in my pack, and because I increased the quantity of sauce that I was making, I also needed to increase the sauce. So I couldn't get bulgogi sauce from the store, so I had to substitute with teriyaki sauce. I went in with my teriyaki sauce. I went in with my soy sauce, which was in my order. I was given 15 mils of soy sauce. I added an additional 15 mils from what I had at home, and I gave it a good stir. I cooked for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, and then I squeezed in half the juice of half a lime into my pan. I allowed it to cook, and once everything was completely mixed together and was completely incorporated and the sauce was completely cooked, I turned off the stove and put the pan down. I went ahead, dished out, plated my meal, garnished with 1 wedge of lime and also some crushed peanuts. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know in the comment section if you've tried this recipe, if you liked it, and if you've not tried it, if you're going to try it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe till I see you again in the next video. Bye, guys.